Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore once said, "Where the head is held high and the mind is without fear." Ladies and gentlemen, this is Colonel 𝗧cie𝗹𝗹-𝗙𝗲𝗲, the Dean of RCM College, Bhubaneswar. RCM College is the platform wherein there is a blend of theory as well as practical. We all here think that all theory makes nothing. It is the practical that makes everything. We had the first-hand experience of gaining theory from the classroom and practical on the assembly plant. This is what we do in the world of management, teaching, learning and publication here.
Hello, my name is Pragyan Anand Mishra. I have done my MBA in England and I'll be taking your communication classes. When you attend the GDPI sessions and when you attend your placement classes and preparing yourself to become industry ready, it should be fun. It should be, the whole process should be fun thing. Okay, so come, let's have fun.
Hi, I am Pragya Das, Assistant Professor in Human Resource Management in Regional College of Management, Bhubaneswar, a Revolutionised alumni and doing my research PhD in Department of 𝗖𝗙𝗿𝗲 University, and I have done my MBA from Delhi Productivity Council DPIM, Delhi, under Delhi University.
It is equal to 200. This is the optimal solution of this LPP. Hi, my name is 𝗧cie𝗹𝗹-𝗙𝗿𝗲𝗏. I completed my PGDM and MCA from Regional College of Management. I have 12 years of teaching experience, and also I am here since last 6 years in this institute. In teaching, I emphasize on the last student who is sitting in the last bench. I emphasize on him because I believe if he will get it, then the whole class will get it. I believe on that. Really.
I have 4 publications under my name, and I have joined RCM as assistant professor, and I have been given 4 subjects to teach students, that are strategic management, retail management, MCR, merger, profit restructuring, and entrepreneurial development.
Presently working as associate professor in the Department of Marketing Management in RCM. I have work experience of 20 years in the domain of electronics and telecommunication engineering and 8 years of teaching experience.
I am Anjali Das, Head Training and Placement at Regional College of Management, Bhubaneswar. I look after the placement activities, internship activities, as well as I am an assistant professor in the field of human resources. I have been associated with RCM since 1st November 2013 till date. I have been the PGDM course coordinator of 16-18 batch, 17-19 batch, and currently handling placement and internship activities.
Hello everyone, this is Professor 𝗖cie heç𝗁𝗰𝗁 from RCM. I work as the academic coordinator of the UG department over here, and my basic qualification is MBA HR from FM University, Bhubaneswar, and I have been into the teaching profession for the last 6 years. I teach papers, core HR papers, and I also work for the pre-placement department over there, which is said to be the most attractive and the most amazing department in the organization.
Hi all, this is Moshmi Mohanty, and I am a gold medalist in economics from Banaras Hindu University for excellence in academics as well as presentations. Here at RCM, I have been appointed as an assistant professor of economics, where I am allotted the subjects like business economics and banking and insurance papers for students of both MBA as well as PGDM courses. I am a NET and JRF qualified candidate, and I have recently published papers in both national and international journals. So are you looking for a dynamic career in your life? So just don't give a second thought about it and just hop on to RCM. So I will meet you at